I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan has international service, so you avoid surprise charges. Once done, sign into your T-Mobile account or app, enable data roaming for the line you'll use, and verify the device is listed under active lines. Make sure your IMEI and account PIN are accessible in case customer support needs them. Restart the phone to apply carrier settings and install any pending updates. This prevents registration problems when you land. You'll now get connected once you're abroad. First, set network selection to automatic so the phone can register with partner carriers. If it doesn't, switch to manual and try the strongest partner network. Next, confirm your APN settings or accept the automatic carrier profile. This ensures mobile data and MMS work correctly. Also enable Wi-Fi calling and set your preferred network to LTE/5G for best speeds. If you need texting while offline, use Wi-Fi calling or messaging apps tied to your number. To finish, test a call, text, and data transfer to confirm everything functions. Check the T-Mobile app for roaming usage and thresholds so you don't exceed your allotment. If service fails, immediately toggle airplane mode, retry network selection, or remove and reinsert the SIM or eSIM profile. These quick steps usually force a new registration. If those don't work, contact T-Mobile support with your account PIN and IMEI and request a network refresh or temporary roaming. Enable this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.